Have you ever wished your computer could predict what you want to do next? Well, that's exactly what a new AI model is doing, and it's taking the tech world by storm. This Reddit post dives into an exciting breakthrough in machine learning where a new algorithm is designed to anticipate user behavior. It learns from your patterns and suggests actions before you even think of them. Imagine typing an email and the AI predicting your closing line based on how you usually sign off. Pretty cool, right? So why should this matter to you? This technology doesn't just boost productivity, it makes our digital experience smoother and more personalized. Whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing, it's like having a digital assistant that becomes smarter the more you use it. Now, here are a couple of key takeaways. First, this AI is not just for tech enthusiasts. Everyone will benefit from these smarter interfaces. Second, the future seems bright for innovation in everyday tools we use, making our lives easier and more efficient. Keep your eyes peeled for updates on this tech. Who knows? This could change the way we interact with computers forever. This is today's tech update for July 26, 2025.